What is up everyone? Raka here. In this video, I will be showing you the essential equipment necessary for a YouTube beginner. All for the budget of below $100. So stay tuned and watch till the end. A lot of my friends have provided me very valuable feedback since I first started uploading my first ever online video content, which you can find here. One common feedback that they kept telling me was for me to buy a DSLR camera. Let me just remind everyone that since we are just starting our journey on online content video creation, a smartphone capable of recording 1080 or 720p video would actually be sufficient for you to have a decent video quality. You can have the best video content in the world, but if the video is blurry and dim and there are a lot of background noise being captured, then your viewer wouldn't enjoy the experience of consuming your content. On the other hand, you can have the best audio and video quality, but if your content is not worth consuming, then it would actually defeat the purpose of creating a video content at all. So without further ado, I will be showing you the essential equipment necessary for YouTube beginner cover artists. Number 1. Since we are aspiring to become cover artists, it is very important that we have a clear audio. And for that, what I bought was a BM800 condenser microphone. It comes in set together with a microphone swing arm. The price of this set when I bought it online was this much. Now, I also purchased a pop filter for this much. Next, we have a 3.5mm adapter, which was bought for this much. And the USB sound card, which was bought for this much. This adapter will be used to connect your smartphone or your computer to your USB condenser microphone. And the USB sound card will be used to eliminate the noise generated by your computer when connecting your BM800 condenser microphone to it. Number 2. For our video capture device, as mentioned earlier, we will only be using our smartphone since it is capable of recording in 1080p. Number 3. Lighting. Sometimes it is not in our control if there are a lot of obstructions in a place where we want to film. That's when lighting becomes important. A lot of expert video creators have been recommending to use a box light. Since we don't have that yet, what we will be using for our video is an improvised table light. So that's basically all that you need as a YouTube beginner cover artist. Now let's go set all of this up. So this is what my content looks like using only my smartphone for the video, and its built-in microphone for the audio. And for the lighting, I'm only using natural light from the sun from my bedroom's window pane. So this is basically how my setup looks like every time I'm creating a cover version of a certain song. I hope you are able to pick up a thing or two from this video, and if you do, please do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up, and share with your friends. Please stay tuned for my next video. Peace out. Hey.